And so once the transaction is over, you will find yourself having made a difference of 150 and you get to pocket that profit. Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video, we're talking about how to start a business without any money. Now, if you don't have any money to invest in order for you to get money back, then you need to know that you are going to need to invest something else, and that something else is time. Now, you've probably heard the phrase that time equals money, and that is 100% true. And that is what we're going to be talking about in this video. The methods that I'm going to be sharing with you actually require you to invest some time in order for you to make that money. So let's dive in right away without wasting any time. Now, the first method that you can use in order for you to start a business without any money is by planting money trees. Now, before you ask me where to get those seeds from so that you can go over and plant them too, let me just share what this actually means. So in digital entrepreneurship, money tree actually stands for creating a system that will make you passive income a long time from now. So if you don't know what passive income is, this is basically where you automate the process of making money and you create a system once that will help you make money repeated times in the future or years from now. So a good example of creating a money tree, or good examples of money trees, is by creating content that people are interested in watching. And so you could do this on several different mediums. You could create content on blogs, you could create content on YouTube or in videos like you're seeing right now, or you could even create podcasts where people can listen to that information. Now, the idea with content is that you want to get people listening. You're trying to drive traffic in the online space. The viewers, the people who watch your content, the people who listen to your content, the people who read your content are referred to as traffic. So the main thing that you need to understand here is that when you are getting started, you're actually not going to be making any money with this, because remember, it takes time. However, one of the things that people don't really have is discipline and consistency, because after some time, this money tree will start to grow and you are going to reap the fruits of it. All right, so let me give you an example. This video that you are watching right now on TechHood is actually one of those money trees, and TechHood254 is one of the money trees that my partner and I have planted. And so we create evergreen content because a year from now, 2 years from now, even 5 years from now, there's somebody going to be looking for how to start a business without any money. And guess what? They are going to come over to this video and they're going to watch this video, and it's going to be making us passive income. So this is just one example of a money tree that you can create. Another example of a money tree that you can create is actually creating what is called a niche website. Now, this is where you create content about a particular thing. Let's say, for example, you are somebody who's interested in health and fitness, and you're trying to help people to lose weight, or you're trying to help people to eat right. What you would do is go over and find a website and start blogging, start creating a money tree on health and fitness. And you don't necessarily need to just have one or two or three. The beauty with content is that you can have content spread out all over the internet. And this is what we call digital real estate, because as long as you have all this content on all different parts of the internet, in video format, in podcasts, in blog format, it's going to be making you money passively. And so if you want to understand exactly how to monetize your content, go ahead and let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering that question for you. Second method that you can use to actually start a business without any money is selling a skill. Now, this is known as freelancing, and it's very, very popular and it's very lucrative. There are very many people selling their skills in exchange for money. Now, one of the advantages of this is that you don't need to be in a particular industry. Whatever you are good at, you can definitely bet that there is somebody out there who is in need of that particular skill as a service. So one of the best platforms that you can use to sell your skills is known as Fiverr. and I'm going to link it down in the description box below so that you can get over there and create an account for yourself. So Fiverr allows you to sell whatever kind of skill you have, starting from as little as $5, and you can charge as much as you want based on how well you are versed in that skill set. All right. So, for example, when you head over to Fiverr, you'll find people selling skills about creating content on your website. You'll find people selling graphic design skills. You will find people selling skills about, how to create footage, how to do video editing. And the great thing with Fiverr is that you can sell even some really strange skills. Like I've seen people selling on Fiverr that they will assist you to get a date on Tinder, and they will help you to match your profile with other people's profiles. So you can see that Fiverr is really diverse, and there are some crazy gigs that are on Fiverr. And that means that you aren't left out and you don't have an excuse to get started. Now, the third method that you could use to start a business and make money without actually having any money is by doing what is called print on demand. Now, if you don't know what print on demand is, this is basically where you design merchandise and you sell these merchandise to people. Okay, so I know right off the bat, it might sound like something that is very complicated, but it's really not. The beauty of print on demand is that you don't need to ever lay your hands on the product. You don't need to have even to worry about the shipping of the product. So the type of merchandise that I'm talking about here include things like t-shirts, things like hoodies, things like cups, things like hats, things like mugs, anything that is printable, anything that can have a print on it. It includes even things like phone cases. Okay, so when you get over to platforms like Redbubble, to platforms like Merch by Amazon, and even to platforms like Teespring, you will discover that this industry is huge. It's actually a multi-million-dollar industry, or probably $1 billion industry. You don't need to be a professional graphic design artist to get started with this. And there are platforms on the internet that you can use for free to help you create beautiful and amazing designs. And one of those platforms is Canva, and I'm going to link it down in the description box below. And all you have to do is head over there, create a beautiful design that you can upload to Teespring, to Merch by Amazon, and to Redbubble. And the best part about all of this is that it doesn't even have to be a picture. If you're not good at creating graphic designs and using pictures, you can actually create text-based designs like you're seeing right here on the screen. Now, the next method that you can use to start a business without any money is by doing something called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is something that we absolutely love here at TechHood because you don't need to have your own product and you don't need to have your own service. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can get into it at any level. So let me give you a quick example. One of the things that we do here on TechHood is that we help people start online businesses, and we teach people how to do that. And so with affiliate marketing, one of the things that you could do is come to somebody who is looking for a specific product, who is looking for a specific service, and you provide this person with value concerning whatever it is that they're looking for. So for instance, let's say that you want to create a website. Now, what I would do is I would head over to the internet and find companies that offer website design services, platforms like Bluehost, platforms like HostGator, and other platforms like Strikingly. These are website hosting, these are website builder platforms. And what I would do is that I would come on here and I would do a review video about these platforms. And so once you see which platform is available and once you see which platform has the features that you're looking for, then what would happen is that you would sign up for that platform. And if you signed up for it using my link, or if you signed up for it using my affiliate code, then what would happen is that I would get paid by this particular company a commission. Now, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to only use the tech industry, and it doesn't only apply to online stuff. There are several different industries and there are several different products that you could get started with. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the online space. It could be in fashion. It could be in health, it could be in any industry that you can think of. There are affiliate products and there are affiliate programs that you can join, and you can start getting out there to people by promoting those links, and you can have people paying you a commission. Now, the final method that you can use to start a business without any money is known as drop servicing. If you don't know what drop servicing is, this is a really simple method where you are leveraging the power of somebody who already has a skill and somebody who is looking for that skill. And basically, you become the person who bridges the gap. So what you would do, for example, if you are interested in drop servicing, is that you would head over to a platform such as Fiverr and look for the types of skills and services that people are offering on that platform. And the next thing you would do is head over to another platform or another marketplace like Upwork or a different marketplace. It doesn't necessarily have to be Upwork, and you would look for what people are searching for. So let's use web design as an example. So let's say that on Fiverr, people are offering web design at a lower price, and you would head over to Upwork and find somebody to hire you for a web design job. And maybe this person would pay you something like $250 or even $300. And once you land this job on Upwork, what you would need to do is head back over to Fiverr and make a gig or request the service on Fiverr. And so what you would do is pick somebody who is going to do the same exact job, but at a lower amount of money. So if you're getting paid $300 on Upwork to do this, then you might want to find somebody on Fiverr to do it at $150. And so once the transaction is over, you will find yourself having made a difference of $150, and you get to pocket that profit. And so this is a really amazing and scalable business model because one, you don't need to be the one who is doing the service, and two, you can do it with just about any service that you can think of out there that people are offering. So you should definitely check out those methods, guys. Remember, if you are trying to make money or if you are trying to start a business and you don't have money, there is no more excuse, because now you know exactly how to go about doing it, and what you need to do is take action. So that is all for this video. If you got any value out of it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it helps us to share it with a wider audience. And I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.